Have you ever wanted to share your life with the world? Creating an Instagram account is easy and fun. Let's walk through the steps together. First, download the Instagram app. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Open the app after installation. You'll see a sign up button on the screen. Tap it to start the registration process. Now, choose to sign up with your email or phone number. If you select email, enter your address and tap Next. For phone numbers, enter your number and hit Next. Next, create a username and password. Make your username unique and memorable. After that, fill in your profile information. Add your name and a profile picture. Once done, tap Done or Next to proceed. Instagram will send a confirmation code. Enter the code to verify your account. Simply tap the plus icon at the bottom. Choose the photo, add a caption, and hit share. Your friends will see your post instantly. Engage with posts by liking and commenting. Your feed will fill with incredible content. In summary, creating an Instagram account is simple. Download the app, choose your sign-up option, and follow the prompts. Finally, share your experiences with friends and family. Ready to start sharing?